Welcome back. Time now for the top stories from around the world.
U.S. President Donald Trump says he's holding a meeting to make a final determination about an agreement to extend a ceasefire with Iran. He said Iran must agree to never have a nuclear weapon or bomb, that the Strait of Hormuz be reopened for unrestricted shipping traffic in both directions, and that any mines in the waterway are destroyed. U.S. officials said on Thursday the two countries had agreed to a framework of a deal pending the approval of Trump and Iran's leadership. The deal would reportedly extend the ceasefire for 60 days and launch talks on the future of Iran's nuclear program. And the first of 5 men found alive after spending more than a week trapped inside a flooded cave in Laos has been freed. The group had been hunting for gold when they were cut off inside the cavern in an isolated part of the country after flash floods hit on May 20. 5 were discovered alive on Wednesday when rescue divers found them huddled together 300 meters from the mouth of the cave. 2 other men are still missing. And those were the top stories from around the world. I'm Nikinsky Robinson.